Hi everyone, it is Kimm Brown here, and I'm going to go through my favorite holiday gifts for 2023. As many of you may or may not know, I have my own small business, and all these gift items and products and ideas have come from specifically that small business. I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you different items from the range of $20 on up, depending on who it is that you are going to give a gift to. And remember, you can always have me do specific items for you. I will do gift wrapping, I will do exactly what I've done here, or I can just send you the items and you can do what you want with them. It is totally up to you. So, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. And today we're going to go with just a few little items. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go on the other side of the camera and I'm going to show you the items that I have laid out here. Many of them are put into sets, and the reason I did that is because they're a really good pairing. They pair really well together. So here's the little items that I have on here. I'm going to kind of just move them around. You can see a few of them. And here's the men's right here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go the way I had them set up on my sheet. And we're going to go over here to this one. So this one right here is my cute little set. It's a perfect little item. And it is our oil-free makeup remover and our Mary Kay micellar water. And the micellar water with a nice cute little headband, and then a glitter, got a little sparkle going on there. So, you know, these are two versatile ways to cleanse your skin. The micellar water will help take off all that foundation and the makeup before you use your actual cleanser. It will gently breaks down all of that makeup, the oils, all of our daily debris that we get on our skin prior to our final cleanser. And then the oil-free eye makeup remover, you know, is for all types of mascara, no matter where or brand or anything, whether it's ours or not. It also takes off eyeshadows, eyeliners, and without any tugging or rubbing. It is 100% oil-free, ophthalmologist tested and proven, and it will work for everything. That set, the way it is, I have it down, that's $38. And the reason I did it that way is because it's just a cute little gift, and it's very easy to put into a box, wrap it up if that's what you want to do, or stick it in a bag, however you choose to do that. The next item we have is our men's product. We can't forget our men. Our men are very special to us. You know, they help with everything, provide for us. Our men, whoever they are in our life, this is for them. This is our Domain fragrance and our body wash, and it is the Domain family. And I just put a cute little towel around it with this little bow tie and a cute little candy cane, and that set is $60. You can definitely buy those individually, and if you choose, you can do whatever you want with them. The Domain cologne, the actual fragrance of this is, you know, a lavender, kind of an oak fragrance. It's a real kind of a heart, kind of a nice earthy tone. And, you know, it will just wrap him between the body wash and the fragrance when he gets done. So that item there is a great item. Here's another item for the man. So this one here, this is our high intensity and our true original, and you'll love these two items. This is our set for our men, and it is for the body and the hair, and it is our high intensity ocean, which is obviously, you know, power of the sea, a little purity, vitality. It's very fresh ocean air smell. So don't let your man get swept away with the fresh, clean smell. There's notes of sea mist, Italian bergamot, green mandarin, juniper, berry, and ginger spice. And this set here, they're 20 each or 40 as a set. It comes with a cute little washable bag. So now let's go to our limited edition body care set. So this is our limited edition body set. 2 of these come together in one package. That is this lotion and this fragrance spray. The body wash I added in here because it is one set. You can get these 2 items if you want to do them, but I did it as a set, and this whole set is $48, and it is well worth it. I've been using this. I love it. It's a Mandarin Bloom's body wash, the lotion, and the fragrance mist. So the Mandarin Bloom, right? It's the post your shower treat with a body lotion. It's light, versatile scent when you want a more subtle but still noticeable fragrance, an alternative to perfume. It's very important that you know it is not a strong fragrance at all. Then we're going to go with our cute little Mint Bliss. I've got it right here. I put it in this cute little cup, and it's favorite little socks. And this is your energizing lotion for feet and legs. Moisturizes the tired legs and feet and instantly helps them feel revived. This little set is only $12. You can just get it with these 2 items here. And if you want it with the cup, then it would be $22. Of course, we have our miracle set all the way in the back, but we're going to go past that and we're going to talk about the Dynamic Duo. This is my cutest little ever. This is my Dynamic Duo, or they call it Hello Clean. I love these 2 products, the hydrating lotion, the 2-in-1 body wash and shave. They are phenomenal. They might protect my skin from the wind, the dry air, and extreme weather. That 2-in-1 body wash and shave keeps your shower clean and clear because you only have one item and it does everything. And when I started using that, my skin after I had shaved was like baby smooth skin. It was so hydrated and just left everything really feeling fresh and clean and smooth. And then the lotion, it will give you hydration for up to 24 hours. Feels soft and smooth. These 2 products right here, I've been using these for over 4 or 5 years. I absolutely love them. And then, of course, we have our little mini masking set. This little set is only $18. In there is our pink clay mask and the moisture renewal gel mask. So this pink clay mask, it is going to reset your stressed skin. It's soothing, indulges, it's cleanse, and it will renew. The star ingredient is the Palmyra flower extract. That's what gets it soothing, okay? And then, of course, we have that velvety soft texture that's in some dreamy notes of the dewy peony and the tea blossom. Smells just phenomenal. And then, of course, it's going to leave your skin because it's got a rich clay that's going to help remove all of that dead, and it's going to revive your dull skin and fatigued skin. Just 10 minutes. All you have to do is leave it on for 10 minutes. The moisture renewing gel, that's one of our top masks that's sold, and that one's going to instantly hydrate. So if you've got some fine lines around your mouth or on your forehead, anything like that, you use this just a couple times a week for 20 minutes, and you will see that your skin is left so hydrated, and you'll notice that a reduced appearance of your pores as well as the fine lines and the wrinkles. And these 2 items right here, this little set right here is $18. The moisture renewal gel comes in a large container also. I think when you get done using those little minis, you're going to be like, Kim, I need some of those full-size items, and I have those too. The next one that I have here in front of me is the Mary Bright. He's a cute little feller. They're just 2 little mini hand and lips because we all have to deal with our hands and our lips, especially if you live anywhere near me. This little mini hand cream, they come in 3 flavors. There is a wild berry and passion flower. There's a mandarin rose, a mango, and an orange flower. I just put 2 of them in here just because I didn't want to put all 3, then it won't stay together as well. And then I put the hint of mint lip balm. This is a shea balm. It's got deep moisturizing, and it keeps your lips hydrated for a good 10 hours. These 2 items right here are our Satin Hands Shea Hand sanitizer, and the soap. So with so many different people coming into your home, they went fragrance free. The hand sanitizer is non-sticky, it's no rinse formula, and it dries quickly, and it comes as a portable, travel-friendly spray. And then, of course, we have our soap. And this luxurious soap, it's moisturizing, it's a shea butter. Just keep it next to your sink, use it in place, and you will love the way your hands feel. Those two together are $18. So, remember, when I get all done, you're going to get a code, and all you have to do is DM me with saying Christmas, and I will give you your discount that you are going to get. The next little item that we have here is this cute, let's see if I can keep it standing up. It doesn't want to stand up. Is this cute little stocking. It's got our charcoal mask. I don't think I need to talk too much about the charcoal mask, but if you have ever tried our charcoal mask, you will not be dissatisfied. It was the top selling charcoal mask when charcoal masks came out, and I saw a lot of videos from people making their own charcoal masks, and I'm telling you what, none of them, you will love this charcoal mask with the rosemary and the way it pulls all the dirt out of your pores in just 30 minutes, and you will have a phenomenal. And then the last item that I'm going to talk about right now is way back over here, and that is one of our top fragrances. I decided to choose this one, even though this is a little bit more on our high side price-wise, but this has its own unique smell. The fragrance of this is just a phenomenal smell. If you like whipped souffle, that is this cream moisturizer is a whipped souffle, and when you open it up, it looks just like a souffle. And then, of course, the perfume. This you'll like the way that this inspires everyone that you meet. I get so many compliments when I come up to women or men and they are like, I love that fragrance. It will empower you. I think it's very encouraging and it's uplifting to many others. The set is $112, but you can purchase these individually if you want. And like I said, any of these items, some of them are classic items, and you just have to put a little note in when you go to my website. I'll put the link to that down below, and that will give you options if you come across them. So just go back through, take your little list, write it down, and if there's something you can't find on my website, because there's a few of them that are still available, but they're not in, they're in what they call our classic items. The last item that I did not talk about but is here is our hydrogel eye patches. And I just took this cute little towel and put it around here with a little sparkle. This item is $40, and it is our eye patches, hydrogel eye patches. It adds that moisture that you need. You can do them a couple times a week. There's 40 pairs in there. This will last you quite a while. And once you start using this, you'll just notice that areas around your eyes just become so hydrated, and actually when I use the eye patches consistently, I notice that my eyes don't make me look older, right? They give me that young, vibrant look, and I love that. So thank you for coming and watching this video. I'm going to put this in a couple of different places, and as usual, I love you and I appreciate everything that I get from you all, and so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and as always, bring your makeup bag, and we'll see a new look next time.